Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got these two triangles ABC and DEF that intersect each other, as you can see in this diagram, such that this line segment AD equal to this line segment DM, and moreover this line segment EB equals to this line segment EN, and furthermore this angle is 111 degrees, and now we are going to calculate this angle X. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Before we proceed any further, let me make it very clear that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on this triangle ABC. Let me go ahead and call this angle alpha and this angle beta. And now let's recall triangle sum theorem. According to this theorem, the sum of the three interior angles in a triangle is always equal to 180 degrees. As in our case, we got this angle alpha, angle beta, and this 111 degrees. Therefore, we can write angle alpha plus angle beta plus 111 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Let's go ahead and subtract 111 degrees from both sides. This is gone. So therefore our alpha plus beta angle turns out to be 69 degrees. Let me go ahead and call this as our equation number 1. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this triangle ADM, and we know this is an isosceles triangle since this side length equal to this side length. Therefore, if this angle is alpha, then this angle has got to be alpha as well. And now let's recall exterior angle theorem. According to this theorem, exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles, as you can see in this diagram. And we can see A and B are our two opposite interior angles, whereas this C is our exterior angle such that C equals to A plus B. Therefore, for this triangle ADM, this angle is going to be our exterior angle, that is going to be the sum of these two opposite interior angles. Alpha plus alpha is going to become 2 alpha. And now let's focus on this other triangle BEN. We know that this is an isosceles triangle as well, since this side length equal to this side length. So therefore, if this angle is beta, then this angle has got to be beta as well. And now let's recall this exterior angle theorem once again. According to this theorem, if these are our two opposite interior angles, then this angle is going to be our exterior angle, and that is going to be 2 times beta. And here's our final step. Let's focus on this triangle DEF. And let's focus on this triangle sum theorem once again. According to this theorem, the sum of these three angles, 2 alpha, 2 beta, and this X must be equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, we can write 2 alpha plus 2 times beta plus angle X equals to 180 degrees. And here we can see 2 is in common. I can factor out 2. We got alpha plus beta inside parentheses plus X equal to 180 degrees. And now we know that alpha plus beta equal to 69 degrees. So therefore, I'm going to replace this alpha plus beta by 69 degrees. So therefore, I can write 2 times 69 degrees plus angle X equal to 180 degrees. 2 times 69 is going to be 138 degrees plus x equal to 180 degrees. Let's subtract 138 degrees from both sides. This is gone. So therefore our angle x turns out to be 42 degrees. So thus our angle turns out to be 42 degrees, and that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.